Clay recently reached a crazy valuation of $3.1 billion. Clay is absolutely loved by lead generation agency, and they pretty much coined the term GTM engineer. But is Clay that good? Are there any better and easier alternatives to Clay? This review will not be your typical Clay review. I think there are enough tutorials about Clay online to do every single workflow possible on Earth. So in this video, I will focus on the common use cases of Clay and if it makes sense for you to take a subscription or not. Alright, so Clay is, long story short, an Excel spreadsheet for salespeople on steroids that uses AI. Clay has 100+ integrations, including one with my AI native CRM, breakcold. Having so many integrations makes Clay extremely powerful. In the same software, you can use AI to do research on your leads to filter out the bad ones and then enriching the good ones with the valid B2B email or phone number. But is it worth paying $349, which is what most Clay customers pay for? What I mean is that most Clay customers don't have extravagant use cases. They mainly use Clay for simple contact enrichment and ICP filtering, and then pushes the data to cold outreach tools or back in the CRM. Only the Clay agencies are doing advanced workflows to personalize cold outreach at scale or create extremely targeted leads lists. So, in my opinion, for most companies, Clay is overkill. If you're looking for simple data enrichment and ICP qualification using AI, you have softwares like breakcold.io and Intellimatch by Findymail. Breakcold is basically a cheaper and easier alternative to Clay. By using natural language, you can just prompt what you want to achieve. It's one of the easiest sales software I've ever used in my life. For example, by just using some basic prompts, I created a workflow that turned my anonymous visitors into qualified leads in my CRM. This took me only a couple of minutes to figure out myself without any tutorials. With Clay, to achieve the same result, you need to pay triple the price and to watch a 10 to 15 or 20 minutes tutorial. So in conclusion, Clay is interesting only if you need to make very advanced workflows. Otherwise, go check out other solutions. If you like AI sales softwares, make sure to check out my AI native CRM, breakcold. It's a sales CRM that automates the boring stuff so that you can only focus on chatting with your leads via email, LinkedIn, Telegram, WhatsApp, and phone. Cheers!